Welcome to this tutorial where I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process on how to install and set up your app World-Timed Action Automation for Workflow. Once in your account, navigate to App Marketplace, search for the app, click on it. Then click on Install, head over to Allow and Install and click on it. Ignore this pop-up. Once you're done with the installation, reload this page and scroll down to the custom page of the app. Click on it. Then you'll have this pop-up of the interface with all the necessary features such as the documentation and everything you need to begin your journey with this app is right in here. We have the Smart Queue video and the walkthrough configuration video that's going to guide you on how to get the necessary credentials to set up your app. We have the app setup itself. No worries. Let's walk you through if you met this app not connected. Click on Start Setup and you insert your professional email. Then you click on Complete Setup. And there you go. Your app will be successfully configured and set up. We have the support center where you'll be able to book a live call with the support team. We have the change log feature that's going to enable you to track all the necessary updates and improvements made on these specific apps. And to receive emails, toggle on the email notification button, insert your email, and you click on the subscribe. Our support team is available for more guides and tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.